In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to log feature requests from support and send them directly to your development team. This process is crucial for keeping communication streamlined and ensuring that your team can build the features your users actually need. When customers reach out with feature requests, you want to capture their input in a way that's clear and actionable for your devs. First, you need a simple system to log these requests in a central place. This is where a software tool or platform designed for feature tracking comes in handy. Whether you're using a ticketing system or a dedicated feature request tracker, consistency is key. The first step is to log the request with all the necessary details. When a support team member gets a feature request, they should note the user's exact feedback, including any specific use cases, pain points, or requests for improvement. Make sure the request is categorized, whether it's a bug, feature enhancement, or something else, so it's easier for your devs to sort through later. Next, prioritize the request. Not every feature can be built overnight, so you'll want to assess how important this request is. Look at how many users have mentioned the same issue or feature. The more demand, the higher the priority. If you're using our software, you can even tag and categorize these requests by priority, making it easier to find the most urgent ones. Once you've got the request logged and prioritized, it's time to send it over to your dev team. This step is all about clarity. When you send the feature request, make sure you're communicating the why behind the feature, why it's important, who's requesting it, and how it could impact your users. Use any relevant data or user feedback to back it up. The better you communicate, the easier it will be for your dev team to take action. Remember, it's also important to keep everyone in the loop. Set up a regular cadence for checking in on the status of these requests, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly. This keeps things moving and ensures nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Now, if you want to follow along with the process I've just described, I've got a recommendation for you. After trying all the most popular software out there, I recommend using this software for logging feature requests. It's simple, effective, and integrates seamlessly with your current workflow. You can get an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel, so make sure to check the description below to get started. To recap, when logging feature requests from support and sending them to devs, the key steps are: capture all the details of the request and categorize it. Prioritize based on demand and impact. Send the request to your devs with clear communication, explaining the why behind the feature. Regularly check in on progress. The key takeaway here is that a clear and structured process for logging and sending feature requests is essential for both customer satisfaction and development efficiency. And don't forget, if you want to try out the software I mentioned earlier, you can take advantage of the exclusive free trial available in the description below. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.